Okay, this is a clipboard I made for my motorcycle. I started out with a regular piece of aluminum. I put a ram mount on the back. I marked off 1-inch squares and then took a soft finish uh, die grinder bit, I guess you'd call it, and put this pattern into it. You can get that at McMaster Car. I forget exactly what it's called, but it's actually soft. You can squeeze that bit with your hand. So that's what the finish looks like, and then this is what it looked like finished. And I put this on my motorcycle to hold pieces of paper with route notes on it for a timed rally event I do with Glacial Lakes Motorcycle Club.